You could go about and edit the About section here, just like what I did. And now we're just going to focus on this section here. So go press back, and these are the features that we're going to edit, which relates to these 4 circles here. So what we're going to do is go back to Cart HQ. These are the texts. Copy them and paste them here. Copy the bottom text and paste it on this box, like this. To change the number inside this circle, 98, you could enter it here, 98. And click Save. So now let's go ahead and do the rest for number 2, number 3, and number 4. Once we are done with that, we can just go ahead and publish it. And return to your home page and click refresh. There you have it.